We went to Micro Center today and got our hands on this. It's a good entry-level card into pro gaming. Today, it's the MSI brand, the overclocking edition, the GDDR7, right?
Yeah.
It's the
Compact version.
compact version with 2 fans instead of 3.
Yep.
I'll pick it up so I can see it.
This is the entry level into pro gaming. I mean,
Pro
this
gaming.
will get you there. It's not the 16 gig model, which is bigger. Gives you more VRAM, but this will do everything the 16 gig model would, just with only 8 gig.
And 2 fans, not 3.
Yep, it's a 2-fan model, not 3.
Oh, so
Compact for smaller builds, like ITX builds, and anything like that. You could even put this in the new Steam machine.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and open her up.
Can you do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I thought you took the knife from me. So,
this will be a good addition to one of our PCs we have here at PPC Plus. That's wrong. PC Plus Plus. Set that up.
Okay,
so,
how do I open this?
One of the models we'll be adding to one of our computers here at PC Plus Plus.
Can I turn it? I can see.
Yep. Open it all up.
There's like a little thingy. Oh,
yeah. This is the actual wrapper to keep any static electricity from going in there.
Oh, it is the fan. Okay. I got tape.
You know,
Oh, drop it.
MSI is a very good brand too.
Put that over there.
I recommend it
This is pretty.
over certain models for sure. Yep. Look
Go
at
this
that.
way.
MSI GeForce RTX. Kind of
The
cooler
same
does
way.
it have in there?
Oh
yeah. It's got the. I don't know if you guys
get
can see
closer
that.
to that.
It has 2 heat dispersion pipes coming off the chip. It looks like. It's the first time I've seen the 5060.
I've never seen
One
it like
single 8-pin connector, which is good. Everybody's still running the AM4 platform. Yeah, it looks pretty sharp.
that. It is cool.
What else we got in the box? We got your
Directions.
directions, your starting guide. No adapters or anything?
No,
Oh, I guess it wouldn't need adapters.
just the plug-in, right?
Yeah. It only has a single 8-pin connector. So we'll do some benchmarking on this once we get it installed. And let you know how it stacks, because it is replacing the Radeon 5700 XT. So we're going from Radeon AMD over to the NVIDIA side, 5660 Ti.
And I go in there.
Yeah, put it in there right there.
Spaces. Oh, it's got it. Oh, there you go.
There we go.
It's pretty. I don't do this without dropping it. They can see it.
These are running, I think we got this for a 343 out the door at Micro Center.
With a Microsoft account.
Not with a
discount.
Microsoft account.
Isn't that what it was?
No.
Oh.
No, it's
Oh,
just a regular, they have like MSI Insider, or not MSI, Micro Center Insider accounts. They do get you percentages off.
Get you one. Fuck, what was the first line again? Sorry. Oh my god, your computer turned off.
No, it didn't.